I am Dr. Peter Noll, and I teach history at Tusculum Museum Studies. I want to tell you a little bit about the camps that we have at the Doak House Museum this summer. We've got two camps. One is Pioneer Skills Camp, and in that camp kids get to go out into the woods and learn about food, shelter, fire, the basic kinds of skills that people would have had when they went into the expanding American frontier. So it's a lot of fun out into the woods, building shelter, learning how to make fire from flint and steel, thinking about how to acquire food in the wilderness. And both of these are half-day camps. And the second camp we have is a historic woodworking camp, and students will be using old tools. All of the tools that they'll be using are at least 100 years old. Others are close to 150 years old, and they'll be using those tools, whether it's a hand plane or hand saws or gauges, to build something out of wood, multiple things out of wood over the course of the week, things that they can take home. Don't know what we're making yet because I still have about a month to figure that out. But what they make will be fun and useful, and they'll learn a lot about the types of tools that people used in the past to make a living making things out of wood. So those are the camps at the Doak House this summer. I hope to see you out here.